Well, it had to happen. Dean was pulled over for speeding in his VTOL.
Yeah, I need his license and registration.
Yeah.
We might have a problem there.
We got 2 of these this time. 2. And they're all fully charged up. So it's always more fun to fly with a friend.
Tim's by far and away the most skilled black pipe pilot in the world.
How many times have you flown yours?
Probably 30 or 40.
And how many times have you flown yours?
Over 900.
Wow, how long have you had it?
They delivered about 2 years ago.
Okay, so you got a little head start over
A
Dean.
little head start over Dean.
Have you put it in acro and done any flips?
Not yet.
No flip? Do you want to? Do you think you could?
I have to earn, what do they call, the kids call it? I have to earn that achievement.
Oh, right. Yeah, you got to get your flip merit badge.
Yeah. That's
Okay. Are they capable of doing more acrobatic flights than you guys are doing?
Not right now. It's software. It's all fly-by-wire. So
Oh, okay.
They have to write the software for that. They keep us all within the flight envelope.
But you want to, don't you?
I do, yeah.
I would after almost 1,000 flights. They're out there in the field right now getting ready. They're going to fly from here over to a horse farm, which is 2 miles away, and I can only safely follow them for less than a mile. Dean, this antenna, is this the radio? I've got a radio here so I can stay in communication with you guys. You gonna be on channel 15?
Yes, sir. Channel 15.
All right.
Calibrating.
Are you calibrating right now?
Yes, sir. We're calibrating.
Okay. How long till prop start up?
We're probably taking off in 30 seconds. Dean, are you ready for ignition? Ready for ignition. By mark. 3, 2, 1, mark. Takeoff is approximately in 20 seconds. Okay, Dean, I did my Elevon check, and I'm ready for takeoff. Taking off in 5. I'm on your left, climbing to 300.
Yep, I'm already losing them. I'm already losing video. And that's because I'm down below that little berm there. What I should have done was...
Okay, Dean, I'm at 300. Go ahead and pass me on the right.
this little berm here. I should have been on that berm.
Copy that.
I should have sit up on that hill, but I don't like ticks and chiggers, so. I started losing you guys as soon as you went over the water.
Yeah, I'm at 250.
Just let me know when you're coming back and I'll take off again.
Yeah, we'll go, Ken.
Oh, here they come. I can hear them. Ah, I gotta restart.
Transmitter battery low.
So my controller was left on by someone and the battery drained. I'm not able to fly right now, but if you're gonna go again, I'll get you.
Copy that. Dean, you're clear to land whenever. Starting to descend the lamp.
It is pretty cool with both of them, you know?
Got to. And the radio,
Yeah,
cameras, everything
Yeah.
is all in sync right now. This is the best that we've ever got it. So,
I just wish the light was better,
yes.
but it's still really cool. You can see their silhouettes against the gray sky. cops are here.
Oh, I had to check it out.
What do you think of that?
That's cool.
Isn't it?
That's awesome.
Yeah. Have you ever seen something like that?
I have not. I just drove by.
And you saw them in the air?
Saw them in there.
You're like, something's going on. I better investigate.
I had to take a look.
Yeah. Flight 2.
Have your ears on.
10-4, ears on. I'm standing by.
Okay, we're probably about 30 seconds. And are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay, Dean, ignition on my mark. 3, 2, 1. Yep. Not at all. Is it the battery? You cannot transmit? Okay, Ken, I'm going to check on Dean.
All right.
We're probably 5 minutes away.
All right, I'm going to land.
Roger that.
Flight mode power.
Was that 2 minutes?
Copy that.
I have a medical condition called battery anxiety.
There you
Yes.
get it right there.
Yeah.
When it's all
Right, when everything's
all in
going, I'm
place.
like, which
Yeah.
one's going to fail first?
Yes, yes.
Okay, Ken, we're probably 30 seconds out. Can you do that?
Yep, 10-4. 4.
Ignition on my mark. 3, 2, 1, mark.
Rapid mode.
And then, Dean, don't forget your Elevon check. Check that. I'm ready for Ever. Ken, are you ready?
Yep.
Copy that. All right, take off on my mark. 3, 2, 1, mark. At 125. Copy that. At 160.
Yeah, it is a screamer, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Is my head facing them? Because these are directional antennas.
Your head or face, you look great.
No, but my head. I have directional antennas on.
I know, your head is.
Okay, good.
So you need to veer your head to the right just a little.
Okay. All right.
There you go. Looking good.
Thank you, right.
You're lined up with it.
I'm gonna spin around and
Turn to the left.
yeah. Yep. Oh, left. Okay, yeah, better. Thank you.
Turn to your left a little more.
All right. All right. It's hard to move around while I'm in the goggles, but
Yes, yes. Looking great.
Thank you, right.
All right, turn to the left a little bit.
Your left.
all right.
Your left.
Line left. All right. This is so hard.
I know it, but you do it.
I'm getting it. Yeah. I appreciate you helping me. I got a solid connection. Is pivotal in front and being followed?
Yes, yes.
Okay, because I don't want to be in Dean's line.
You're not in Dean's line. You're way.
All right, so you're watching.
Yep.
All right.
You turn your body to the left again.
All right.
There you go. You're straight, pointing straight up with him.
Excellent. You see my hand shaking?
Yes, sir. I know.
It's
Oh,
adrenaline.
yes, that's what that is.
Yeah.
I already know, baby.
This is butter right here.
Doing good.
Butter. How far behind is Dean?
Dean has done come around. Dean is about to be on his right wing. You're
Okay.
right behind. Yep.
All right. Oh, there he is.
Great.
I got him. I'm gonna go over and film him real quick. The only problem I have is I don't have OSD for some reason, so I don't know what my voltage is.
I got you. Turn left.
I got it. Yep.
Turn your body left.
Okay.
There you go. Body left.
All right.
Body left again.
Okay. It's very helpful what you're doing. I feel like I'm gonna fall over though.
See what's going on.
Yeah.
Body left.
All right. I don't.
Body left.
I'm guessing by my flight time is 4 minutes.
Turn left in front of me.
Are they gonna land?
Not yet.
Okay, because I don't think I'll be able to stay up for as long as.
Fine, do your thing.
I'm gonna do another pass here and then get real close, and then land myself. But I got them both in the shot here.
Turn your body left.
Yep.
Perfect. Line back up.
All right.
Right where you started.
Oh, this is great. This is good stuff right here.
Turn left.
It's very helpful to have the radio.
I'm gonna get you to turn to your, turn again.
Again?
There you go.
All right. It's wacky, man.
Turn
I'm at 5 minutes.
time and you're back where you started.
Okay. I'm at 5 minutes. I'm gonna come in at 6 because I've been beansing it.
Okay.
But I really wanted to get them both in the shot.
So can you still put an SD card in those goggles right there?
Oh yeah, I'm recording on every damn thing.
Okay, so look, on those goggles, I can on an SD card, I can show you where you can get your readings. You know what I mean?
Yeah, no, it's a hardwire thing.
Okay.
I know what the problem is. I just can't fix it in the field.
Turn left.
All right, I'm at coming up on 6 minutes. I gotta come in. Can you get on the radio and ask at ETA when they're gonna land?
Okay.
If they land within the next minute, I can get it.
Get your ETA on landing, guys. 3 minutes.
How long?
Copy that. 3 minutes.
3? Okay.
Okay, Dean. I'm going to take a cool down lap. You can go ahead and land.
Oh, he's landing. Okay. I'm at a little over 6 minutes on the battery. I'll push it. So is Dean coming in?
He's not
I'm at
yet. He's
250.
about to set up. He's gonna set up. You'll see him right here as
All right.
you're making approach towards him right now.
All right. Am I facing the right
Yep,
way?
you're facing.
Okay, good.
You're doing great.
I mean, if I.
You can turn your body left just a little.
Little
There
bit,
You go.
all right.
That's perfect. Well, you can turn right just a hair.
Now right.
There we go.
All right.
Now you're on.
All right. All right. I'll murder my battery for the other landing.
All right.
On the ground, 116 temperature, 66% battery. Good copy.
And he's coming in?
Yep, he's coming around. He's banking right now.
Oof.
You can do it. He's over there by.
No, my, nope,
It's down.
nope.
It's down.
My battery's dead. Dead, deadly dead. It's okay. I knew I had about 7 minutes. Did you see where it went down? Okay. It's not hurt, it just, I'll probably have to buy a new battery.
Yeah, 'cause you took it all the way to
I did, yeah, and I knew I was towards the end, that's why I wasn't too high. Worth it.
yes.
I get the landing on this camera.
Motor 105, battery 54.
Yes. That's great. Nice flight.
Some things never get old.
No, yeah. That's so great. Oh, you getting it for me? Thank you. My drone only had about 7 minutes of battery. Towards the end, it landed in the grass. It's fine.
Oh, okay.
It's fine.
Cool.
But I was pushing it. I knew I had about 7 minutes, but I didn't have OSD to tell me the voltage.
Right. Okay.
Great. That was so great, guys. Make sure that's still recording. We're good there.
It's pretty cool to see this out my window.
Oh, you could see it?
Oh yeah.
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 But your octocopter is bigger than mine.
It is.
So I have Octo Envy. I would have been here about 10 minutes sooner, but I got pulled over in my cop car by another cop this morning.
What is Heron Drone Patrol?
I'm a YouTuber.
You're a YouTuber?
Yeah, this is my wacky YouTube vehicle. They gave me a ticket for being awesome.
Well, I think someone needs to challenge those charges in court.
yeah, probably. The burden of proof is on me to prove that I'm awesome.
So.
Am I awesome? You're always awesome. See, I'll just bring him. We'll be fine.
Carl lies all the time.
You want to fly a drone?
No.
You want to fly my drone?
No.
Come on, you know you do.
No, I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Do you have a drone?
No.
No?
No.
You've never tried? Come on, fly a drone off my cop car. Come on. Put these in there like that. And then this one, make it go up. All right?
All right, let's see. Down.
Yep, put them down in the center like that. All right. Now the left one up slowly. You got it. You're doing it. Now use this one to go forward. Push that forward and it'll go that way. Yeah. Or you can, it'd be easier for you to turn it around and then you can see. You got it. You landed it. Excellent. Good job, sir. Thank you. Now you want one, don't you?
Yeah.
It was kind of fun. Okay. Link in the description, right?
Yeah, link in the description.
I have a very important question for the pilot of the Pivotal here. As he pops out. You've seen Dean's flame shoes.
Oh, I have.
Yeah, how do you fly it without them? You don't have flame shoes.
I'm not a flamer.
Well, that'll be an outtake. Thank you.